Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, we see how to check coordinates like XY coordinates of different holes which are arranged in series in pattern wise. So this command we see in drafting. In drafting we have a command hole coordinates. Before that, we had to create a hole on this rectangular block. I go for hole option and I use some 10 mm dia hole. And like this I am creating number of holes in horizontal and vertical direction by using the command rectangular pattern. Select this hole, reverse direction, reverse. See, randomly some number of holes, like in horizontally it is around 9 holes, 9 by 5 holes in series with some distance 20 mm between each holes. Now first, if we consider this as a 0 point, origin point, we need to check XY coordinates of all these holes, x distance and y distance, from its origin. We take this part into drafting. So go to drafting. This is a drafting file. Get that front view of the part. Then hole coordinates. This is a 0 point axis here, and where we can see this option means in dimension toolbar we can see here hole dimension table. What happens if we select this option? First, just I select that option, then you have to select a hole. I select this hole. See here, ordinate origin at 0 point. Now you can see here 0 point. Now if you select axis moves, don't select again, already hole has been selected. Now if you go for OK, then a table appears. See, representing a letter A and its center, this hole A center located x minus 101.02 mm dimension, means as it is in negative side, left side negative direction is given, y also as it is downside 20 mm minus, and its diameter. See here you can see the table. Now I don't want axis over here, then I go back, select hole dimension table, select a hole. See here axis, 2D reference axis. If you click here, wherever you click, okay, it is placed over there. If I click on this hole, you can see axis is placed. From here it calculates, it considers a 0 point here and it calculates. Say suppose I want this origin at this corner, then select this edge, select this edge. Now it has been moved to this corner, right? Now a hole has been selected. See, then go for OK. Now ordinates value has been changed. See, x is at distance 16.7, y is 17.89, and its diameter. Now I need to calculate for all holes XY coordinates. I want to drill holes with the coordinate system. So you need a table for that. For that, I go back, I want to place origin over here. Go for whole dimension table. Drag this so that all holes have been selected. Now axis, select this edge, select this edge. You can see axis placed at that corner. So you can also give a name for this title. Simply I give a name table 01, or you can write any name or number related to that component. And if you want in letter ABC, you can give small letters index. You can also name holes with numbers as well as alphabets, either small or capital letters. I select this label, then go for OK. Now you can see a table, a big table, because there are number of holes. You can see automatically holes have been given names, and you can check its axis, XY coordinate distance with the name of that hole. C, A, B, C, D, E, F. You can check here table. You can take this print. You can use for drilling holes with respect to XY coordinates. See here, A, B, C, D, how many are there? See, from A to Z here it is mentioned. After Z it has automatically taken A, B, B, C, C, all these things. Now we can check that. See, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, all are positive values because axis is at extremely down at that corner. Then diameter, same diameters. Okay, after that you can also edit this table. See, to edit you can just double click and you can edit that. Okay, no need to edit because we require actual dimensions like this. So this is the method to find XY coordinates of holes in series. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel Imperial CAD System. Thank you very much.